Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to remove the trigger and lifter group from a Lebel rifle, and then how to disassemble and reassemble the trigger and bullet lifter group. So the first thing you need to do is to strip your Lebel down to this condition. So I've already removed all of the wood, the forestock and the buttstock, and also the bolt. So what we have here is just a barreled receiver with the trigger group and the lifter still attached. Okay. Now the tools you're going to need are just a large flathead screwdriver and a very small thin flathead screwdriver, maybe a pair of pliers. Okay, so first unscrew this screw. Pop. All right, so I'm going to put that over there. Now the entire unit will just slide out. Just pull it. Okay, I'm just going to put the barreled receiver aside for a moment. All right, so now you have this unit. Okay, this is the lifter, and of course there's the trigger spring, and other parts whose names I don't know. Okay, so now take your small screwdriver and unscrew this small screw. You can see it there, this one. Yeah, I'm right-handed, so I'm having a problem right now. Hold on. Yeah, there. Little screw comes out. I'll put it over there. Okay. So now there's nothing holding these bottom pieces in anymore. So first, we just kind of pry out this bottom piece. Yeah. Okay. It slides out. Put it aside. Okay. And then there's a side piece here. And you can just pull it out. Yeah. Just pull it out. I'll put that there. Next thing that we need to do is to remove this, and I believe this is the selector switch or the cutoff switch. If you move this backwards or forwards to one position or the other, you can change whether the gun reloads from the tubular magazine or whether it's just a single shot only that will not accept bullets from the tubular magazine. So first, to kind of rotate it to the correct position, yeah, approximately like that, and then just pull out, see, the whole thing comes out. Okay, now this entire unit just lifts out. Right. So yeah, you have the trigger and I guess the lifter itself. Okay, so now remove this piece. It just lifts out. See? Now this just comes apart. Now we have this piece left, and there is a very, very small screw right there. Very, very small. Be careful because it's so small it's easy to lose. And all it's doing there is it's keeping the trigger spring in place. Okay? Take a screwdriver. It is tiny. That's how big that screw is. Don't lose it. Now, this will just pull out trigger spring. It is possible to break this part of the gun down even further, but I wasn't able to. Like if you look at the bottom here, you see there is another, I don't know, screw head or something, but it accepts, you need a spanner bit, and I learned the hard way that these old French rifles didn't use spanner bits that are still manufactured. So standard sized spanner bits that you attach to the end of a screwdriver, they will not work on this. I think that Sarco Inc. and Royal Tiger Imports, if you're listening and you want to make ones of thousands of dollars, you will contract with some Chinese company to make spanner bits that work on Lebels that are designed especially for this, because all the people on the internet, they either can't get these open, or they kind of build their own spanner bits out of spare parts, or they use screwdrivers. Like I guess you stick one here, another one here, and then you know scratch the whole thing up as you're rotating it. But this is one of those proprietary spanner bits, and the Lebel has at least one other proprietary spanner bit that is a different size from this. So really you should just, somebody who wants to make ones of thousands of dollars, have the spanner bits manufactured and sell the 2 or 3 of them in like a pack in a plastic bag. The trigger, this is actually 2 pieces. You can disassemble this further, but you have to punch out a little pin there, and I don't know. I just don't want to do that. That's a step too far. And there you have it.